Ace, what do you want to paint today? What do you want to paint? You want to learn to paint fire? You do? Huh? Yeah, let's paint fire today. Hello and welcome back to day 25 of me learning to paint with gouache. And today, I'm painting fire. Painting fire is not an easy task because you have to make it really glow. So, I decided that I'll share some tips and tricks with you. Here's a rule of thumb that you should always have with you, that painting other objects darker and in a cooler shade will always make your fire look brighter. So make sure you always do that. Here's another tip. Make swirls in the fire so that you can show that it is moving and it's not in a still object but it is in motion. And oh, don't forget to add some black ashes because they really make the fire pop out. And add some more swirls with white so that there are lights and darks all over the place. There you go. Here's your fire and tell me how did you draw it. And make sure to follow along in this series because day 30 is coming soon.